Okay, so today we have something really interesting to unbox. It's a brand new model of the Penstar eNote Pro. And this Penstar has both touch and color. So here we have the box itself. I will unbox this Penstar eNote Pro today and do a first start. And then later on I will do a review video when I have used it for a while and also my opinions and so on. I will do a lot of videos with this, of course. And this is eNote and also an e-reader that uses Kaleido 3 e-ink technology to get color and also touch display. So not only physical buttons that Penstar are used to have, but this has touch. So, pretty nice box. Here we have the specs for the eNote, as you see. 10.3-inch Kaleido 3. The resolution 300 ppi in black and white. You have color 150 ppi. CPU octa-core, storage 4 GB of RAM, 128 GB of storage. Penstar OS, based on Android. Battery 6500 mAh. We have a camera of 8 megapixel. We have audio, speaker. We have mix. We have connectivity, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5.0. USB-C port. And in the box we have the eNote Pro itself, a digital stylus, magnetic cover, a cable USB-A to Type-C, stylus nibs kit and a quick guide. This is pretty interesting to try. So let's start by removing all the plastic on this box. Really nice box. And now we should just lift this up. Wow. Very nice package actually, you see here. So eNote Pro magnetic cover, it's on the top of the box. Let's check that out later on. Cool. And here we have a paper. To lift it up. It's the tablet itself. Let's see that later after seeing what's in the box. We have probably some quick guide here. Oh, and the nibs. The pen stylus nibs. Nice, I love that. Amazon. And we have a quick guide. Really nice packaging. And here left in the box we have the cable itself to charge it. USB-A to USB-C, as you see. And here we have the stylus. This should be a brand new model of the tablet with touch. So hopefully the pen is also something that you haven't seen before. We have no charging what I can see, so probably an EMR pen. That's really good. We have the nib here. We have 3 buttons, as you see. Feels quite nice in the hand. And usually with Penstar you have a store somewhere that you can have spare nibs, but we will look at that later on. So we are having that in the box, and that's it for this box. Now we are checking the tablet itself. Let's remove this. Plastic cover. Really nice. As you can see here, it's a color version. We have some physical buttons here, as on all Penstar tablets, and we can program them probably. And here we have the mountain logo. We can probably have, well, I will check that later on. On the feels really nice, rubberized, leathery on the back side. We have the camera here. We have Penstar logo there. We have some more information at the bottom. We have a speaker, as you see there. We have for the cover probably there, and we have a USB-C port and a power button. I'm not sure what this is actually. Could be for the pen or the cover or something. But let's see a first start in this video, and we do that by pressing there. And here we have the first start of the Penstar eNote Pro color version with a touch display and also Kaleido 3 color. You see here already it's in color, 10.3 size, quite heavy because it's a large battery in this. Very rubberized backside, so that's nice to have laying on the table, very stable. As you see here, we can choose English. As you see, it works with touch. Let's see with the pen. Red. Agree. Okay, I need to read them. So let's read them. Like so. And we read this too. Of course you should read this for real, but I don't have the time at the moment. So now I agree. It said something about the database storage, but we will see that later on. As you can see, really nice color and whitish display because they have probably some brightness on. As you can see, we have the brightness at 12 there. So if I remove all the brightness, you see the Kaleido 3 grayish background. But if we have it as 12 that it come with, like so, it looks really nice. You also have warm light, as you see here, really nice. And you have different themes. So this will be really interesting to try this out. We can see, I don't have any Wi-Fi or something, but we can see a note here. We can create a note like this, and now we try some whoa, feels really good. Feels like writing on paper actually. Wow, feels very good. You can change tool with the button, and you can erase with the button. Quite cool. So this feels very good for doing notes. and note-taking so far. I haven't learned how to use this tablet yet, so we will see. But do we have an app store already, or do I need to activate something to find Google Play Store? I can't see Google Play Store yet. So probably I need to activate something. Well, we will check that out later too, because I need to have Google Play Store. So hopefully I can use that with this tablet. So now we will unbox the magnetic cover for the Penstar eNote Pro, the color version with a touch display. I think this cover could be interesting to have when you're traveling or walking around with the Penstar tablet, but at home I probably will use it without the cover. As you see, it's just a cover for the front of the eNote, because on the back side you already have a rubberized frame, rubberized leathery backside. So on the front you can attach it. You should attach it in the side of the tablet. It could be hard first time you do it, but when you have done it the first time, you will see that it was quite easy to do. I had some problems the first time I did it, as you can see here, but you should just click in them into the side of the tablet and it works. But I had some problem, as you can see, because I didn't know how to do that, but now I know how to do that, and it's not a huge problem anymore. And the cover has about the same feeling as the back side. So the front cover has the same feeling as the back side, a bit leathery, but not as rubberized as the back side. The back side is more rubberized because you should have it on a flat table, for example, when writing or drawing. But it works really good. I think this is a really nice cover to have when traveling or walking around with it. So, but at home I think I will use without it, because I will use it a lot for reading, and then I want to have it as light as possible. So, but the pen fits really good in the side of the tablet. But this was a first start and an unboxing of it, and I feel it's a really nice tablet so far. So hopefully this will be a really cool tablet to try out and do a review of, and also do some opinion videos and comparison and so on. Okay, bye.